like 7 in the morning, and we got something we gotta do. Race car is finally going over to Martin's shop. He needs to do a little bit of tweaks on the suspension. We're gonna load this thing up and head over there. Alright, she's loaded up. Got everything back in. New trans in, new front mount, fan on the oil cooler. Coda hooked up the switch. We got new tie rods, inners and outers. We got a new rack in here, or rebuilt rack. No more short shifter. Yeah, the car should be solid. Martin's just gonna do an alignment, do some 300ZX rear knuckles, and hopefully the car will be ready to drift with Coda, because that's why he came here in the first place. We haven't got to slide together yet, so I'm gonna stop slacking. You guys need a ride? Let's go. Alright.
I do need a ride.
So who's the filmer? You're the filmer?
Fogger.
Alright, Beto.
Hello guys.
You're on. You're not Jordan.
No. I'm Mexican Jordan.
Ferraris everywhere. So this is OMD. This is where Martin does all his stuff. They specialize in Ferraris, believe it or not.
Yeah, that's my new ride.
That's your new whip.
Yeah, Martin just fixed it up for me.
Sick, dude.
I get home.
That's not a 240. It's always cool coming here because it's like a field trip to a Ferrari museum. And then my piece of crap right there.
What is that?
What is that? That's not a Ferrari. This place is insane. Jags. I don't even know what is this? A Maserati. We got a Ferrari.
Ferrari all day.
Look at these, just Ferrari motors.
Just
Jaguar, full Diablo. Lamborghini Diablo. When was the last time you seen one of those?
maybe once in my life.
That's your first one you've ever seen, huh?
That clutch has like barely 80 miles.
OMD.
Beto's about to get hooked up, watch.
Dang.
He's got a
Dang.
spare trans,
And a spare trans, bro.
Look at you, dude. You're gonna. Now you have no excuses to come to the track with us. Look how big these are. Oh my gosh, put your arm there. It's the same size.
345.
Doesn't do it justice.
Put your head on there, bro. Put your head.
Oh, this is a special manifold.
Oh, you get the special manifold too, Beto?
Martin's
Here you
special.
go, Beto.
Wow.
It's like Christmas.
Forever, for real.
It's like Christmas.
August, bro.
Yeah, so you guys remember Beto's S14. We'll put a clip of it right here.
Done by this.
What is this? Oh, I thought it said Cambergini. So Beto just got all this stuff. And all he has to do is get Martin 4 tires. insane. This thing's gonna be animal. This is the inside. This is the engine bay.
It's like that honeycomb frame it's actually made out of.
What the?
That's what really is?
Yeah, so it's like all honeycomb frame and then there's like a big aluminum body.
Like this?
And like all the body panels are like all one piece.
This is insane.
It's all.
Just flat. This is like full race car. What is this? A Jaguar what? How much is one of these things worth?
About 600 grand.
So I can buy 70 240 SXs. So this goes in there.
Looks like SR turbo.
Look at that back housing, so tiny.
Look like SR turbo.
Oh baby, look, K-car turbo. You want some money?
Money.
They got a whole barrel of it. Must be nice to make your own parts, huh? Everything.
Everything.
I'm just kind of going over stuff. I know you guys are doing stuff in the garage.
We're doing stuff like super fast and not double checking.
Martin's Super Scrub Enabler. Look at
Who's
this.
Martin? Dang, dude. If you guys need the super scrub, let
I mean, if
Martin
you
know.
wanna, like,
Drink like Josh, you need these.
What is your kit called? It's just the OM.
No, it's a Kansai Flip Master.
It's the Kansai Flick Master by OMD. Made in-house. That's what this thing has. Custom 3.5-inch inner barrels, 5-inch lips. So 300ZX rear knuckles. It's supposed to be a lot more sturdy. New freshies. I needed some new tires. Martin always coming through. Those look good. TEs for the rear, brand new Achilles. different with the new tires. It's like twitchy. Right? It's twitchy. Yeah.
It's so good.
It's really twitchy.
But it'll have to like the tires will wear in and stuff, and like it'll take a little bit.
Like just turning it, it's like scary.
Yeah, it wants to like just.
It's scary, dude. Cool.
So the e-brake worked good.
Can I test it real fast?
Yeah.
Just pull it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like brand new. See you guys later. I'm gonna pop my Ferrari cherry. So this is Nick, and Nick drives a Ferrari on a daily. Look at that key. And Martin just made this exhaust, huh? This is a V12. Jesus! I must love it, dude. It's... It's a different type of power, dude. It just spins the tires.
Oh, it's the
Just-
ring is super short.
It just spins the tires like they're little 215s. It's a nice little daily you got here, man. It's like- Now you're gonna change my mind about Ferraris, man. As long as you can keep up on the maintenance, I guess,
As long
right?
as you keep up on the maintenance. And this is the first of like the flappy paddle. So in normal life it sucks,
Yeah.
but for full out it's really nice.
There's like no lag though. It's like
No, it's
right.
quick.
Yeah. It's crazy.
It's just when you're stuck in traffic, like it does full throttle really well. It's just everything else it doesn't produce.
This is definitely one of the funnest cars I've ever ridden in, that's for sure. Dude, this thing spins these tires like it's nothing. What size tires are these? Insane, dude. Just kicks out like nothing on throttle.
How's that sound?
It sounds amazing. I hope this thing, I don't even think this thing can pick up that noise. It's insane. This is just one of his babies. I'm just gonna insert the video right here. Just talking about the most expensive machines. Steve comes out with a $20,000 Lamborghini
$20,000
scanner.
cash, bro. It's better than actual money.
Yeah, I've used it like once.
Oh my gosh. So it hasn't paid itself off yet? Nope. Not yet. 12 Ferrari motor that Steve is going to make. He's already started the ITBs. This is actually the same motor as the Ferrari I just did a test drive in. Man, everything is done in-house. Steve is a magician when it comes to Ferrari stuff.
Seen this what Steve designed. Fuel injector rails and
Wow.
see
This
how
is all
the-
Steve's design,
Yeah.
huh?
We're gonna
Just
put
CNC this.
Yeah, we're gonna put this in.
Even the throttle body he made?
Yeah, he made that.
Just endless. That's a wrap. Ready. a long day, dude. That only took an hour and a half. Hour and a half? It's, what time is it? It is 6:22 p.m. My tires are beating you. Gotta learn someday.